And then when it's full, you just pull this tab, and you can also do all of that while it's poop and pee. It even comes with an 8 to 10 month supply of trash bags. This is like the most affordable automatic litter box that I found.
I'm scrolling through TikTok Shop Analytics and something stops me dead. A creator who looks like a normal person making normal videos, but in 7 days they generated $1.7 million. And in the last 30 days, $4.5 million in revenue. They are printing money on TikTok Shop like it's nothing. And today I'm going to break down the 5 lessons behind their success so you can take the best parts and apply them to your own strategy. Because trust me, what they're doing is not magic, it's formula. You're going to learn why volume is their secret weapon in 2 different ways, how they use high average prices to maximize commissions, why their skit-based video ads convert like crazy, the strategy behind focusing on one sales channel only, and why product selection is the real kingmaker behind TikTok Shop success. If you're aiming to make your first $100 to $1,000 on TikTok Shop in 2026, these lessons will save you months of trial and error. And if you're new here, my name is Victor. I use my experience as a marketing project manager to share what's working in e-commerce, AI, and affiliate marketing right now. So if that sounds like your vibe, there's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen. Now let's get into these 5 lessons from this creator pulling insane numbers on TikTok Shop. Number 1, volume, the 2 ways they win. First type of volume we're going to focus on is uploads. When you scroll through their TikTok page, it's obvious they post a lot, like a lot. They're not scared to fail, not scared of low views, not waiting for perfection. They post, analyze, post again, iterate, and post more, because volume builds skill, speed, data, and momentum. And new followers instantly understand what the account is about. It's a product review account. No confusion, no mixed niche. Brands love this. The second type of volume is repetition of winners. What do we mean by this exactly? This is the part that most beginners do not understand. When they find a product that works, they don't move on. They repeat it. If product A performs, they post it again and again and again. Different angle, different skit, different hook, until the wheels fall off. Because when a video starts generating commission and sellers start pushing ad spend behind it, that's confirmation. You double down. This is why they look like an authority. They milk their winners. Number 2, average unit price, their commission hack. This transitions perfectly into the next point. This creator focuses on high average product prices. If you look closely, you'll notice $179.99, $199, $149, $169, $127. Now, why is this so important? Because more expensive product mean higher commissions. If you're earning 10 to 12% commission, would you rather 12% on a $9.99 item or 12% on a $199 item? Exactly. They're not just reviewing products, they're reviewing products with good return on investment per video. This is why $4.5 million in 30 days, $9.16 million in 90 days becomes a possibility. High ticket plus volume equals explosive earning potential. But none of this matters unless your videos convert, which leads perfectly into the next lesson. Number 3, video ad method, the skit technique. Now, this is the secret sauce. The majority of their videos use what I call the skit method.
Babe, the cat shit in the freaking sink again. Where's the litter box?
I just got a new one.
It's usually the gentleman, his partner, or him alone having a quote-unquote random casual conversation about a product.
This thing looks crazy. How's it even work though?
70 seconds after the cat leaves the litter box, it's gonna start cleaning.
It feels natural. It feels like normal life. It feels like you're overhearing something, and viewers instantly lean in.
Take all of that clean litter and submerge it with the cat's poo and pee so it's not gonna stink up the house.
Well, what happens if the cat's in there while it goes off?
Well, if your cat gets in it, it's gonna stop and it won't start again until the cat gets out.
They always nail the first 3 seconds. The movement, the dialogue.
And it's gonna sift out all that clean litter from the dirty, and then it's gonna empty the dirty stuff into the trash bag below it.
There's something happening and there's a real scenario that you can relate to. And then they show the product immediately.
And then the poop just goes down below.
Okay, well, how much poop can fit down in there?
Well, they say it usually takes 10 to 14 days for one cat to fill this up.
Now, why does this work? Reason number 1 is viewer filtering. People who aren't interested in that problem click off quickly. This leaves people who are interested to stay. This boosts watch time and conversions.
And it's even on sale right now.
It does look like that sale's ending soon, so if you want to grab one one before the sale ends. I'll link it below so you can go check it out.
And the second reason why I believe this works is algorithm clarity. TikTok recognizes the product instantly because it's on screen immediately. The algorithm then pushes it to people who researched it, people who've watched similar videos, people interacted with similar products as well. Your video doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be clear. This creator absolutely crushes the clarity game. But even with the perfect hooks and perfect skits, if you do not master the next part, you will still fail. Number 4, strategy. They focus on one sales channel. A lot of creators make the mistake of trying to do live streams, TikTok shop ads, on-demand videos, shoppable posts, live affiliate sessions, and more. This creator does one thing: on-demand videos. They've identified what works for them, so they've doubled down. Not splitting energy, not juggling skills, not diluting their time, not trying to be good at everything. They chose their path, they got good at it, got better, and then started getting paid. This is the power of focus. But even that is not enough unless you master this final lesson. Number 5. Product selection, the real final boss. You can have the best videos, the best hooks, the best editing, the best posting schedule, but if you choose the wrong product, all of that means nothing. Product selection is everything on TikTok Shop. If you promote the wrong product, you're dead in the water. If you promote a product nobody wants, say goodbye to any chances of commission. If you're promoting a low-rated item, you're looking at complaints and no traction. So if you're wondering, okay, Victor, how do I choose the right product exactly? The video on screen right now walks you through exactly how to find winning products, even if you're a complete beginner. Click that and I will see you in there.